Google Nano Banana Pro is here, powered by Gemini 3. Unlike other AI tools, it understands data and logic before creating. It takes time to understand context, so visuals feel natural, not forced. People, places, and styles stay realistic as ideas evolve. Welcome to a new way of creating with Google Nano Banana Pro, where you can create any images and designs just using prompts and deep dive creativity, where reality and imagination blend together. Today, we'll show you how to do all of this for free with unlimited generations. We'll also share a bonus method to generate images without using any prompts. So, don't skip any part. Let's begin. Open this link given in description. Click on this icon to upload your image. We'll add a low-resolution image for upscaling. Write a prompt like, "Upscale this image in Ultra HD," then click on Generate. Then, insMind opens a workspace for all your generation work. Now, insMind upscales your image using Google's powerful AI image model, Nano Banana Pro. Here's the result. We can also recreate our old or distorted images. For this, first upload your image. Now restore this old photograph into a modern and rich colors with ultra-high clarity. Now, click on this arrow. In this way, you can easily retrieve your old photos. For this, first, we'll take a woman's face. Then, copy the prompt and paste it here. Now, for all these creations, we'll use special prompts, which you can easily get in the description. Nano Banana creates the storyboard with a speech bubble. If you want, you can create story scenes without a speech label. For this, just add your character image. Then, copy and paste your prompt to generate. We got this story scene image without speech text, and also the same character consistency. Add your product image. Now, copy and paste the product image prompt and click on the arrow to generate your image. This is the final amazing image. In this way, you can easily create product images for your ad campaigns or publish them on social media. For multi-image combining, first, we add all our images. Then we'll use this prompt for creation. Now, we can see in the image that all these three images are combined and done precisely. For this creation, first, you need to add a photo captured at a wide angle. Then copy and paste the prompt. In this case, we will use the page size 9:16 for a perfect view. Now, click on the arrow to get your image. We can see Nano Banana created our image precisely and also gave good details. In this way, you can use Nano Banana for free using the insMind website and take your imagination to the next level. Now, click on Download, then select your generated images and download all images. You can create all your imaginative and useful images for your brand using the insMind app. Moreover, insMind gives you all-in-one features in their app, where you can create images, animations, videos, and many more features for your design, like background removal, upscaling, AI characters, professional images, and much more. Now, we'll create images without prompts. For this, open insMind app. Go to Inspirations. Here, you can create images just by replacing them with your own. No prompt needed. We will try the giant style to check how it works. Now, delete this image and add your own. Just click on Generate, and insMind automatically creates your image. Here are the results. Hassle-free creation without a prompt. Click on Download and choose the quality to get your image. Let's try something different. You can also choose images from categories. We'll try this New Year style in the same way. In this way, you can create different style images without prompts using the insMind app. To explore more, try it for free using the given link. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments. and I'll see you in the next video.